In this video, I'm going to show an unboxing for a Kline exhaust system. This is for my 996 twin turbo, and it was shipped directly from Kline Innovation itself in Romania. So you see here, this just came through, and they have some checklist as to what's included here, and it's just the straps to bolt the exhaust itself. I got the decat system without the catalytic converters. So I'm just going to cut this open just so that people know what to expect when they order these kinds of things, in case they want to order some parts to accommodate it. They're not held up just waiting for this and figuring out that, oh, they've got some missing bolts or whatever. So this came through UPS, and I actually had to pay some duty fees on it because it came from out of the country. It wasn't that bad, actually. I think it was about $70 or so. It's dependent on the value of the system. So that I was billed prior before they actually delivered it to my house. So I got a notification from UPS. I had to pay the duties on it before they would actually release the shipment to my house. So let's see what we got here. One of the things I did notice is when the box arrived, it was standing up, and there's this little hole here where I could feel the side of the exhaust poking out. Let's see if it did any damage, but I doubt it, because I could feel that there was bubble wrap inside. Just bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. Alright. So my one concern with actually doing this video was on my old stock exhaust, the mounting clamps which were held on were seized, so I actually had to cut the bolts, and I couldn't get those bolts out. So I was wondering, even though this system came with the clamps, if the bolts were also there or not. Otherwise I have to order it, and now because of all this COVID stuff, a little bit delayed. So let's see what we got here. Let me get this open. All right. So looks very well packed. Booklet here that shows their titanium. What do we have here? These look like the straps. Let's see. Okay, sweet. So these are the straps that come with the retaining bolts. Looks to be very high-grade stainless steel, so hopefully no rust. If these are stainless bolts, though, might be a concern of galling on the threads. But we'll get there. This is probably a test pipe, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yes, it is. Oh, and look at that. I was not expecting that. So it looks like they build in a partial defouler on this, because you won't be running any cats. It looks like I bought a vibrant defouler that I'm going to put on, but because it has this already, I might not need it. This is just to prevent the check engine light if you're going to be running a stock tune. So that's one. Yep, same thing. Nice and clean. What's interesting too is it comes with this little gasket here and some bolts. I guess this would be used if you're not using a factory turbo. And let's take a look at what this exhaust looks like. I'm gonna get it out of the box. Let's take a look at this working mark. Lots of bubble wrap. Alright, so the workmanship looks great. So I took this morning. And there you have it. Backside. Alright, stay tuned for after I get this on. I'll have a startup video, and then I also took a video of my car sound white stock, and I'll do just a comparison between the two. Thanks for watching.